Hello, good morning viewers. Here is an equation involving permutation. We are asked to find the positive value of n in this equation. All right. Before we start, I want to remind you something. Remember, if you have n permutation r, it is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r, also factorial. So this is what we need to use in order to evaluate our permutations. You see we have one here and the other one here. All right, let's go ahead and start. All right, we have 3 multiplied by n permutation 2 plus 24. And to the right hand side, we have 2n permutation 2. Okay, to the left hand side, it will be 3 multiplied by n permutation 2 can be written as n factorial divided by n minus 2, also factorial. Then we have plus 24. And to the right hand side, we have 2n factorial divided by 2n minus 2, also factorial. Okay, we are moving on. To the left hand side, we have 3 multiplied by, n factorial is the same thing as n times n minus 1, also times n minus 2. We can stop here because we have n minus 2 to the bottom. This is factorial divided by n minus 2, also factorial, then plus 24. We close the bracket. To the right hand side, we have 2n multiplied by 2n minus 1 multiplied by 2n minus 2 factorial. I will stop here because I have 2n minus 2 factorial to the bottom, divided by 2n minus 2 factorial. So for cancellation, this will take care of this automatically. This will also take care of this. Okay, from here I can expand my bracket. We're going to use 3 to distribute over these 2 terms that are left. We have 3n multiplied by n minus 1. Then we multiply 24 by the same 3, which is going to give us 72. And to the right hand side, we have 2n multiplied by 2n minus 1. We're moving. Now let us expand these brackets. To the left hand side, we have 3n multiplied by n, which is going to give us 3n power 2 minus 3n times 1 is 3n. Then plus 72. To the right hand side, we have 2n times 2n is 4n squared minus 2n times 1 is 2n. Now let us take every single term to the right hand side, because I realize I have 4n squared here while this is just 3n squared. 4n squared is greater. So by taking 3n squared to the right hand side, it becomes negative. So we can write it as 4n squared then minus 3n squared. Then we have negative 2n here, negative 2n. If this crosses over, it becomes positive. We have plus 3n. Which other one again? This, if this crosses over, it becomes negative as well. Negative 72. We don't have anything left. This is equal to 0. To the left hand side, we have 4n squared minus 3n squared, which is just n squared. Then negative 2n plus 3n will give us positive n. The minus 72, this is equal to 0. Now that we have a quadratic equation, this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. Now we are going to think of 2 numbers, which when we multiply them together, we have the constant term, which is negative 72. And when added up together, we get the coefficient of the middle term. And the coefficient of n, remember, it is going to be 1. And the numbers are negative 8 and positive 9. So we have -8 and positive 9, and the whole of this equal to 0. And if you set each of these factors to be equal to 0, the first one, n minus 8, will be n equal to 8, and for n plus 9, it will be n equal to -9. And hence we are going to use the value of n equal to 8, which is positive, because we are looking for the positive value of n. And hence n equal to 8 is our final solution. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.